In the past few days I was talking about OnePlus and its new lineup. It looks like we have another phone to add to the new lineup, the OnePlus 9R 5G. Based on rumors, the phone will be powered by a Snapdragon 690 5G octa-core chip. It will have a massive Gorilla Glass 5 protected 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The device should come with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. As we are talking about OnePlus, we are obviously talking about fast charging as well. This device will most probably have, we do not know how fast, but a fast charging and a 5000 mAh battery, so it should be enough for the day. Most likely it will pack 4 cameras. The main camera should be 64 megapixel wide camera, the secondary camera should be an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and they threw 2 other cameras there as well. A 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Well. By the way, what do you think about smartphones with many cameras? Would you rather buy a smartphone with 2 really good cameras or a smartphone with 4 medium ones? Just because of the design? Let me know into the comment section, I'm really curious about this. Well, it's that time of the year again, when we are waiting for another gadget. I'm personally looking forward for the new Xiaomi Mi Band 6. As you could probably see, I'm not a huge wearable guy. I just don't see it useful to launch an app or even make a call using a watch. I personally think that we are not in that phase that I could buy myself a smartwatch or a smart band, at least not for long-term personal use. To be honest with you, I'm looking forward to buying an Amazfit Neo. I think that this smartwatch has all the features I currently need and at a really fair price. By the way, you can buy the smartwatch and basically anything from this site, Quick Mobile. By the way, the link will be in the description, and don't forget, if you are using my discount code, which is QUICK1120, you are getting an extra 3% discount. So I'm not a huge wearable guy, but let me know what you think about smart wearables. Do you think that it's worth buying a smart band or smartwatch in 2021? If yes, which is the maximum price you would pay for it? And which is the most important feature for you? I'm really curious, so please answer for this question down into the comment section. The Mi Band 6 has already got certified in Indonesia and India. According to rumors, the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, specifically the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6, should come with a larger display. As you can clearly see, it has a similar design to the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5, which was released last year. By the way, I have a full unboxing and review video of that product, so if you want, you can just check it by clicking here. The Mi Band 6 will look almost identical to the Mi Band 5. As we can see, the design of the strap and even the pill-shaped body of this device is really similar to the Mi Band 5. It should also come with a magnetic charger and a blood oxygen monitoring sensor. And I almost forgot, with a built-in Alexa? Well, also based on some rumors, the band should come with a built-in GPS, a heart rate monitor, a sleep tracker, and 30 activity models including kickboxing, Zumba, basketball, and cricket. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you think it was useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, the subscribe button is just one click away from you. Thank you very much again, and let's talk soon.